Do you ever struggle with Excel formulas? Don't worry, today we are going to learn all about the important Excel formulas and functions that will save you hours of work, from basic math functions to fixing errors. So let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Graphic Solution channel. Let's start by learning the 4 most useful math functions in Excel. That is the sum, average, minimum and then maximum. We'll be using this product sales data for our practice. The first thing we are going to learn how to do is how to sum the total sales. So let's click in column B6 and then type equal to sum. Press enter and then select column B3 to B5 and then press enter. This will sum up all the sales numbers for you. Alternatively, you can type in equal to and then click on auto sum here and it will perform the same action for you. So when you do that, it will automatically perform the calculation for you, and then when you press enter, you have the same result. Let's look for the average sales in our table. So we'll click equal to and then type average. Press enter and then select column B2 to B5 and also press enter. This will give us the average sales of 30.25. We are going to look for the product that received the lowest amount of sale over the period. So let's type in equal to and then type minimum and then select column B2 to B5 and press enter. The product that received the minimum number of sales is lemonade. Let's look for the product that had the maximum number of sales. We type equal to and then maxi and then select column B2 to B5 again and it will give us 44. So the product that had the maximum number of sales is 44 and that is Fanta, and it had the maximum number of 44. Knowing how to use this function can let you know the commodity that is being well patronized and the one that is not doing well in the market. Alternatively, whenever you want to perform any of these mathematical calculations, when you click on Home tab and then come to Auto Sum, click on this drop down menu to show you all the Excel functions that you can use whilst working with your data. Now that we have looked at the mathematical functions in Excel, let us also learn how to use the text functions in Excel and be able to manipulate text in our data set. The first function that we are going to look at is concatenate. Let me type in RAP. Let me type in HAEL. So I want to join the text in column D2 and column E2 together. So all what I have to do is to type in equal to and Excel has given me this suggestion. So I'll select it and then click on D2 and then comma D3 and then press enter, and this will join the text together. So I have Raphael here. We have been able to use concatenate to join text together in Excel. Now let's learn how to use Excel to also change text into upper and lower cases. So let me type in equal to and then lower and click on Raphael. Press enter and I have Raphael all in lowercase. In the next cell, let me type equal to and type in upper and then select Raphael once again, press enter, and you also see here that all the letters has been changed into uppercase. So now we know how to use the math functions in Excel and then also the text functions to combine text together and also change from lowercase to uppercase. Next, we are going to look at some of the common errors that you are likely to come across as you use Excel every day. So let's look at this first. The first type of error that you are likely to come across is no value. Let me type equal to and select column A2 plus B2. Press enter and then you get this type of error which says no value. Whenever you come across this type of error whilst using Excel, it means that you have entered a wrong data type. It is as a result of adding a text data type and a number data type together. So to fix this type of error, let us type in equal to and then type sum, S-U-M, then select A2 again and B2 and press enter. Even though we selected text type and number type, we do not have the error showing again. So that is how we can fix this type of error. The next error type that we are going to look at is dividing a value by 0. Let me write equal to and select 23 divided by 0. When you do this, you get this type of error saying that you are dividing a value by 0. So what you have to do is to type equal to and then use the if error function. So if error, then b4 divided by c4. If there is no value in c4, what should it return? It should return speech mark n a. So it should return no value and then press enter. So when we do this, we will get Excel returning this no number and not giving us this type of error again. So in this case, assuming we type a number in C4, the formula will be updated automatically, and let's see what happens. You see that the formula has been updated automatically, and now instead of no number or error showing here, we have 11.5 as our total. The third type of error that we are likely to come across is the no reference type of error, and let us look at how we are going to deal with that. Let's type equal to B6 and press enter. Assuming that whilst you are working, you accidentally deleted the rows and columns containing the formula, you will get this type of error in your data which says no reference. And to correct this type of error, you just have to undo the action that you performed, and this is, you just click on the undo tab here and then it will return the value, or you can use the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut to return to what you were doing previously. Now I know that when you come across these errors in Excel, you'll be able to correct them easily. In this video, we have learned all about Excel essential functions, and they are sum, average, minimum, and then maximums that can be used to perform mathematical operations, and then concatenate, upper and lower limit, that can be used to format our text in Excel. And finally, we also learned how to fix common errors like a pro when we come across them whilst using Excel. Drop a comment in the comment section. Which Excel function saved you the most time? Subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Next time, we'll be looking at sorting and filtering data in Excel. Thank you